Welcome to this tutorial. In this tutorial, I will show you how you can remove or delete pages from your PDF. Now, first let's check out our PDF that we want to edit. Now, here I have this particular PDF file, and for example, I want to delete these two particular pages, this first page and the second page. Now, to perform such operations, you would require a particular PDF editor like the Adobe Acrobat. But they come with a subscription fees. If you don't want to pay the subscription fees, then you can also make use of the online available tools which are free to use. So let's see how to do this. First, let's open our Google Chrome or any other browser of your choice and then search for I Love PDF. This is a free website which I particularly use for handling PDF operations. Now, once you click on this particular site, you need to click on the All PDF Tools button. Once you do, you can see the option of Remove Pages. Simply click on it, and then this prompt will appear asking you to select the PDF file. Just click on this button, and here you can select the PDF file that we want to edit. Now it has loaded all the pages within this particular PDF file. To remove any pages, simply select those pages. For example, let's say this one and this page. The cross indicates that these two pages will be eliminated from the file. Now, here you can confirm this, or you may also change it like this. But for now, let us remove these two particular pages only. Now, all you need to do is click on the Remove Pages button. Once you do, it will process it and it will give you an option to download the changed PDF. Simply click on the Download PDF button, and here you can see that the P1 removed is now available. Let's open it, and here you can see that the front two pages that we saw earlier are nowhere to be seen and have been successfully deleted from this particular PDF. So now you know how to delete pages from your PDF file. If you like this video, make sure to hit the like button as well, comment on this video, share it with your friends and family, and don't forget to subscribe our channel. Thank you for watching and have a nice day.